Prosper Loan Comparison Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Prosper and other recommended loan tools are in the description. Prosper is a peer-to-peer lending platform that connects borrowers with individual and institutional investors, offering personal loans ranging from $2,000 to $50,000 with repayment terms of 2 to 5 years. Unlike traditional lenders, Prosper uses a marketplace model where investors fund loans based on borrower profiles. This allows borrowers with fair to good credit to access financing for debt consolidation, home improvements, medical expenses, or other personal needs. The online application process is quick, with pre-qualification available in minutes and funding typically within a few days. One of Prosper's biggest strengths is its competitive rates for qualified borrowers, often lower than traditional bank loans or credit cards. The platform also allows joint applications, which can improve approval chances and lead to better loan terms. Another advantage is that Prosper reports payments to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping borrowers build or improve their credit. However, there are some drawbacks. Prosper charges an origination fee of 1 to 5%, which is deducted from the loan amount. Interest rates can be high for borrowers with lower credit scores, and loan approval is not guaranteed as investor funding is required. Additionally, Prosper does not offer same-day funding, so those needing urgent cash may need to look elsewhere. Prosper is best suited for borrowers with fair to good credit who prefer a peer-to-peer lending model over traditional banks. It is especially useful for debt consolidation as it offers direct payments to creditors, simplifying financial management. However, borrowers with excellent credit may find better rates from other lenders, and those needing immediate funding might prefer a lender with faster disbursement. Overall, Prosper is a solid option for those looking for a transparent, investor-backed loan platform with flexible terms. If you're considering Prosper, check out the links in the description for more details.